How to improve WhatsApp video call quality. The first is first, make sure that the WhatsApp application that you're currently using is updated to the latest version. Just simply head to your Play Store and make sure that this is the latest version possible. Now, once you made sure that you're using the latest version, just simply pull up your WhatsApp. You go to the three dots at the upper right hand of your screen, go to settings, scroll down a bit till you find storage and data. Here it is. Now from here, if you turn off use less data for calls, your video quality for video calls on WhatsApp will improve, as well as media upload quality. Now just simply press on that, and from here, you can choose HD quality. HD quality is going to be slower to send and can be 6 times larger. Now, this is not only for the upload quality. This will also reflect on your ongoing video calls. And you just have to make sure that you're currently choosing on the standard quality, faster to send, and smaller file size. Let's just tap on save, and then you'll just have to make sure that your used less data for cost is turned off. There you go. So once you have done all these steps, you should be able to improve your WhatsApp video call.